New just listed home, 3585 41st Terrace South Apartment 225, St. Petersburg, Florida, by Bill Charles and Rich Abreu from the Military Veteran Team. This two-bedroom, two-bath condo with 1,075 heated square feet of updated living space offers comfort and convenience. Located in the gated Patriot Square community, this turnkey home features a bright open-concept layout and a fully equipped kitchen. The spacious living area flows to a private screened patio, perfect for relaxing. Inside, the split floor plan offers a large primary suite with a private bath, plus a versatile second bedroom and well-maintained guest bathroom. With resort-style amenities and no flood insurance required, this is the ultimate maintenance-free Florida retreat. This gem won't last long. Act now.
Buy or sell with us and move for free in Pinellas County. Google Military Veteran Realtor Team and see why we're #1 on Google.